Ishmael, a 42-year-old man, has narrated how his wife left him with the 2 children after she was advised by the neighbors to leave him because he was disabled. Ishmael says that he was born, but at the age of 5 years old, he suffered a disease because he didn't receive polio, which made him disabled at a tender age. He claims that when he was 28 years old, he met his wife, who was a widow with 3 children, and they fell in love, and they were blessed with 2 kids, and they were living very well. He claims that when he was 28 years old, he met his wife, who was a widow with 3 children, and they fell in love, and they were blessed with 2 kids, and they were living very well as a family. According to Ishmael, his wife was advised by the neighbors who hated him for no reason to leave him because he was disabled and could not provide well for the family. He claims that his wife woke up one day and packed all her belongings and left him with 2 children. Ishmael's life was never the same again, as he had to start begging to feed his children, who are still young and depend on him to do everything for them. Well folks, there you have it. What do you think? The voice is now yours in the comment section below. And please make sure to subscribe to Saint TV so that you'll be notified every time we upload a video. I've been your host, Biriot. For now, it's goodbye.